Both feet, don't always use one. The other one's not a full tomato.
Well, I think Toronto Blizzard launch this year has really brought me full circle. I started playing soccer at a late age of 11. I came to Canada from Naples, Italy in '64, and my first team I ever got scouted to play for was Toronto City, the professional team, the predecessor to not only TFC Toronto Blizzard but also Metros Croatia. The difference was back then, every team was professional, the players never paid for registrations, and everybody came over for a job from Europe and everything, and they were all professional soccer players looking for a job here, and it was a mentorship that was second to none, and I've never had to pay a penny for playing the game, which is totally different than today's society and today's clubs, academies, and teams, whereby, unfortunately, if you can't afford it, kids get shut out of the possibility of an education. So I've gone full circle to bring back the Toronto Blizzard and try to make it as affordable as possible.
So again, being a single parent, and I keep repeating being a single parent because I take such pride. Yes, I'm a single parent, but I'm also strong in upbringing of my children. Getting up in the morning, planning my whole life around my kids, knowing their talents and being able to push them forward. I help them achieve where they want to go in the future. From work, practice, from practice home, how many hours do I get sleep? Not much. But at the end of the day, you are the parent and you have to make decisions. And again, your kids comes first, by the way. It takes a toll. I work 2 jobs to make sure that my daughter, Sarah in this case, gets to where she wants to be and to be able to afford. So transportation, when I can't, I coordinate with other parents that I trust, a parent that I trust, to take Sarah to and from soccer on days that I can't.
Yeah, I've seen, especially a lot of the single mothers, the makeup of the team is predominantly black, and there are a lot of single parents that have, logistically, it's hard to leave your 9 to 5 to pick your daughter up to take her to practice, and also to find the finances to cover the soccer fees, etc. one of discussions that I've had with my kids, and I know the hardship that black teenagers, whether you're male or female, I mean the stats proves that their success rate in terms of graduating from high school, teenage girls being pregnant, teenage boys being arrested and being in jail, it's really high amongst the black kids. So I think if you have a mentor that could, talk to the girls, about whatever personal or social issues that's going on, that's a big benefit, be a huge plus for them, definitely.
So a couple of the big issues that we have nowadays are, again, we live in a city in the GTA called Toronto in Ontario, not only to get competition, but also just to get to training. We have difficulties with single families, at-risk kids that are phenomenal athletes, and the biggest problem they have are two. It's an economic factor of not only getting to practice, but also transportation in the mode of either subway, local transit, which takes too long to and from, but also the cost of entering even the minimal things of paying for domes. We have a winter here that lasts too long, and we really don't have a choice of facilities. We have to be indoors. We got the twins, boy and girl, they're late all the time because they have to take the bus. Like, single parents are working, they can't make training, they have to carpool. These are all things that, are real issues.
You